So this is a look at the parts that I have so far. As you see, I got the processor, which is a beautiful, beautiful thing. Got the power supply there in the back, the case. Some argue that you should get the case last, but hey man, I like the case. I really had to have it, so I got it ahead of time. And some thermal paste, which I may or may not use. Let's move on. I already talked about the parts that we're going to put in this computer totally, so let's move on to why I decided to go to the PC Master Race and just play video games on PC from now. First off, and this is in no particular order, AAA games are not evolving in my personal opinion. I've mentioned this in the video before. The graphics are always getting better, and I guess the sound, everything that's presentation is already tight enough. The graphics aren't going to get any better. It's always, like I said, it's like going to the phone store and hey, what's the next iPhone? What makes this one better? It's got a brand new camera. It's got a new processor. No. Nothing really changed then. So for me, AAA games aren't evolving. There's no different control schemes. There is the same gameplay, FPS, third person, blah, blah, blah. You have to go to the indie scene to get something original and fresh. So that's one reason. Moving on. I am tired of playing the generational game. You know, you change consoles, you have to worry if you're going to get new controllers, what the new controller is going to look like, what parts you're going to have, false hype. Man, so much stuff going on with this. Every few years we change consoles and you have to worry about the little nicks and the knacks and the ins and the outs. I don't want to do that anymore. With a PC, 10-year stretch, upgraded at worst, right? Boom, keep moving. And what else we got here? Oh, the first year of most consoles are dead game-wise. Now, I don't think many people can argue this. Very few games, maybe the 360 had decent to great first years as far as their first year of gaming. I think both consoles, the new Xbox and the new PlayStation, are heading for having people play their old library for a while because they kind of know that ahead of time. They want you to be busy still with the old games while they get the new games ready. But my guy, why don't you just keep your old system and play until you're satisfied and get the new system? But me personally, I'm just going to PC. So that is one reason. That's another reason I should say the first year of most consoles are dead game wise. Next up, speaking of backwards compatibility, we don't have to worry about that on the PC. You can get access to mods, ROMs, new games, old games, games people make. I mean, the market is wide open there, you know. It's a bajillion games for very few dollars. Then you have like 3 or 4 launchers to choose from, which my preferred one is Steam. I go with what I know. But backwards compatibility will not be a thing to worry about in the future once I make the total switch to PC. Next up, I'd like to pay for one machine, even though it's expensive, that lasts for 10 years and has 8K capability guaranteed right now. Rather versus the consoles, I might want to dibble and dabble in both again, pay about maybe $800 to $1,000 for both of them and not be guaranteed 8K. Now 8K isn't big, but I'm saying the future is the future. Why not get ready now, right? We know the fidelity of TVs and monitors are going forward, so why not get ready now? And I have that option, so why not do it now? Yeah. Next up, fun to customize and build your PC. It has been a fun journey so far, picking these parts, putting them together. I questioned the validity of a video game called PC Simulator, but I see how it could be entertaining. But the price, oh god, my pockets, man. Nah. The price is horrible, but it still is fun to put a PC together, see how it works, see how, you know, the fruit of your labors, I guess. I don't know, but it's pretty fun, I guess. Lastly, huge sweeping backlog of games. Oh, we can go to Steam, Epic Launcher, emulators. Also, if you want access to unlimited mods, there you go. No more paid membership live. Xbox and PSN. I'll throw that one in as a what do we call that? Honorable mention. So yeah, you won't have to worry about any paid memberships in gaming. No more PSN memberships yearly, and no more Xbox Live Gold and blah blah blah. You know, you got access to a ton of games right here. Steam, Epic, blah blah blah. I just said it. I'm gonna say it again. All right, guys. I gotta cover the bad parts of this thing. So let's be realistic about this. If PC gaming was totally great, everybody be doing it. So let's hit these real quick. First off, I'm gonna have to learn how to use a mouse and keyboard, and I don't want to do that, but I'm gonna have to do it. I think I am. Somebody picked on me on my stream for using a controller while I was playing a PC game. Fuck, let me not say that. Unoptimized new games. In the case of Batman, any Assassin's Creed game, and the latest Doom with DMR, I think it's called. Shitty ass optimization. I'm gonna just say that. With Batman in Point, when I first saw Batman on my cousin's rig, it looked beautiful, but once he started moving, played like shit. So that's a problem to worry about. More system maintenance, which I am not looking forward to. I gotta dust it, gotta perform virus protection, cleaning, blah 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 blah. With a console, you dust it, turn that bad boy on, good to go. And lastly, this bitch is expensive as hell. This bad boy is gonna run me total about $1,200, I believe. So, but to one of my earlier points, if I buy both Xbox, the new Xbox and the new PlayStation, it's gonna be $1,000. Trust me. Those systems won't be $400. They might be $450 to $500. So let's look at that. It'll be about in the same neighborhood if I got both systems. So hey, here we go. It evens out, but nevertheless, it is expensive as hell. In my pocket, it's screaming, ouch. Oh, God. You ever hit the submit payment button and you just like, nah, I can't do it. My finger won't allow me. It won't bend. It will not submit. I'm sweating. That type of shit. Yeah, but from what you get for the money, I would say it's outstanding performance. It has restored my faith in PCs because I was a Mac person for the longest. I think the family at large, wherever I'm at, is Mac orientated. But that's it, guys. I will give it back over to myself. Hey, self, take over. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. It's hard leaving console. It really is, man. I've had every PlayStation 1 through 4. See them back here somewhere around. They're all around the room variously. PlayStation 4 Pro, PlayStation 4 Pro over here. I've got the Xbox One down there, but I can get Xbox Live games on PC. So boom, that takes care of that. PC for PlayStation 4, I guess I'd have to wait until an exclusive comes out on PC and just have to suck that up. But for those reasons I named before, I just can't stay with consoles. So if you don't understand, you don't understand. If you do, you do. PC Master Race, bro. I never thought I'd be saying that, but PC Master Race. Anyway, that's it for this video. Yeah, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Enjoy yourselves out there. Be safe. It's crazy. 2020 is a crazy year. But hey, man, I think we're gonna make it. So stick with me. Tell somebody about my mixer. Tell somebody about my Instagram. Tell somebody about this YouTube. If you think I should live stream on my other channel, because I don't want to live stream on here. I like to live stream on Games So Spectacular. But if you want me to live stream here, hey, I'll do that too. So it's all about what you want. Let me know in the comments. Give me some love. Give me some comments. Give me some sun. We're Rapid Takes. Check me out on Mixer. I'll see you guys later. Until next time, if you can't be good at it.